Okay, what are the concepts behind word problems? Now, we have learned in our previous chapters that when we are solving a word problem, we need to identify what kind of concept is behind each of the word problem. So if you can recall, we have the part whole concept, we have the comparison model concept, we have the grouping concept, that's for your multiplication division where you have to write your GOT, and the equal sharing concept, same as the multiplication and division, you have to use GOT to find out, right? So behind each of these concepts, there are methods that we need to identify. So for the part whole and comparison, you either use a addition or subtraction method based on the model that we draw. Okay, and for the grouping and equal sharing, okay, you will either use multiplication or division, all right, using the GOT to find out the correct method, right? So now we are going to look at these problems and we are going to identify the concepts. So let's take a look at the first one. The length of envelope A is 33 cm. The length of envelope B is 21 cm. So what is the total length of the two envelopes? So what kind of concept is behind this word problem? Well, it seems to me that it is a part whole word problem concept, right? So for this type of questions, you will have to draw your part whole model and you have to decide on the position of the question mark. Use the position of the question mark to decide on your method. Okay, let's take a look at the second word problem. String A is 35 cm long. String B is 72 cm long. How much shorter is string A than string B? What kind of concept is that? There is a comparison concept behind this word problem, right? So comparison, we will have to draw our model and determine the method based on the position of the question mark on our models.
Okay, let's take a look at another question. An eraser is 4 cm long. What is the total length of 8 such erasers? So over here we have 8 same erasers. So we are going to look for the total length. So what kind of concept is that? Right, it's a grouping concept. We have 8 groups and we are going to find the total length. So this is actually a grouping concept. And for this, we have to show our GOT to determine whether we are using multiplication or division, right? Okay, for the next question below, Cheryl had a ribbon that was 8 meters long. She cut the ribbon equally into 4 parts. How long was each part? For this question, all right, you have a ribbon with a total length of 8 meters. Now it is being cut into 4 parts. So when it is cut into 4 equal parts, there is a equal sharing concept, right? So you know that it is either a multiplication or division, and that's where you have to get your GOT to identify where is the question mark and the method. Okay? Now that we have reviewed how to identify concepts behind word problems, are you ready for a quiz to identify the concept? Okay, go to the next slide to take the quiz.